Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about a video from YouTube. The title is How to Master Time Management. The topic of this video is time management, especially how to manage our time effectively and reduce distraction. The main idea of this video that time management it's not about working harder but about using the right strategy. Many students think they are lazy, but actually they often procrastinate, which means delaying their task. There are several important points from the video. First, many students feel distracted when they study, especially when their phone is nearby. This makes it hard for them to focus and it reduces their productivity. Second, we need a system, not just motivation. We can create a schedule, write task list, and set a reminder to manage our time better. Third, students often feel overwhelmed when they have too many assignments. Because of that, they procrastinate. The solution is to break down big tasks into smaller steps. Now, I would like to explain some vocabulary from the video. First, distracted is an adjective, which means losing focus. For example, I feel distracted when I use my phone while studying. And then second, productivity is a noun, which means how much work we can complete. For example, good time management improve productivity. Third, focus can be a noun or a verb, and it means to concentrate. For example, I need to focus on my assignment tonight. 4. Schedule is a noun, which means a plan of time. For example, I made a study schedule for my exam. 5. Task is a noun, which means a piece of work. For example, I finished my task before the deadline. 6. Reminder is a noun, which means something that helps you remember. For example, I set a reminder to start studying at 7 p.m. 7. Overwhelmed is an adjective, which means feeling too stressed. For example, I feel overwhelmed when I have many assignments. 8. Breakdown is a verb, which means to divide into smaller parts. For example, I break down my assignment to smaller tasks. 9. Procrastinate is a verb, which means to delay something. For example, many students procrastinate before exam. And the last, strategy is a noun which means a plan to achieve a goal. For example, you need a good strategy for manage your time. From this video, I learned that time management is a skill that can be improved with practice. We need to build good habits step by step. In my opinion, this video is very useful for students because many of you face problems like distraction and procrastination. In conclusion, good time management can improve our productivity and help us achieve our goals. So maybe enough for me, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.